Welcome to the class. Myself Ashwini from Gopal Swami College, lecturer in statistics. Today we are going to solve the problems on quantity index number, that too they will ask in the final examination for 2 marks. Take those problems first. Given summation Q0 P0 is equal to 400, summation Q1 P0 is equal to 500, construct suitable index. In exams they will ask this type of questions for 2 marks, and in this problem they have given Q0 P0 and Q1 P0. First we will write this the given data in Q1 by Q0 format, so that quantity of 01 is summation of Q1 P0 divided by summation of Q0 P0 into 100. As we know that always the price relative, quantity relative, whatever it may be, we should write that in the form of P1 Q0, so P1 by P0 or Q1 by Q0. If we write P1 by P0 as price relative, Q1 by Q0 as quantity relative. Now you substitute the given value in this, that is 500 divided by 400 into 100. So our quantity relative is 125. See, in this problem they didn't ask about commits, so we will not write the commit. So next problem. Given summation P1 Q0 is equal to 265, summation P1 Q1 is equal to 260, construct suitable index. See, we have to observe the given data first. Say here they have given in the format of P and Q, not like last problem it is QP, it is, but this problem it is PQ. That is, here P1 is constant in both the data. So we will rewrite this as quantity of summation of Q1 P1 by summation of Q0 P1. See here, I have written P1 Q1 as Q1 P1 and P1 Q0 as Q0 P1 into 100. Now you substitute the values, that is 260 divided by 265 into 100. So Q01 is equal to 98.11. So next problem. Again they have given summation of P0 Q0 is equal to 1400, summation P0 Q1 is equal to 1500, construct suitable index. Again you have to observe the same thing as we did for the last problem. Here again this is data is in the form of PQ. We will rearrange this as QP, that is summation of Q1 P0 by summation of Q0 P0 into 100. I have written P0 Q1 as Q1 P0 and P0 Q0 as Q0 P0. Then substitute the values. Our Q01 is 107.14. Next one. Q naught P1 is equal to 625, Q1 P1 is equal to 600, and construct a suitable index number. Again, they have given in the same format QP. I'll just substitute the values in the formula. Q1 P0 is Q1 P1 is 600, Q0 P1 is 625 into 100, and our Q0 quantity index is 96. And in price index also, we have solved the problems on Marshall-Edworth, Derbyshire-Bowley and Fishers. Using Lapris-Paches, we can find out Derbyshire-Bowley and the Fishers. So again, for quantity index also, we are solving the same type of problem. They will this type of problems will ask in examination for 2 marks again. This is the data they have given. Q01 of LA Lapris is 170.4. This is given, and Paches is 171.6. Find Derbyshire-Bowley and Fishers quantity index. We know the formula for Derbyshire-Bowley using Lapris and Paches. That is, to find quantity index of Derbyshire-Bowley, this is 1 by 2 Q01 of LA plus Q01 of PA. That is 1 by 2 into 170.4 plus 171.6. So Q01 of DB, that is Derbyshire-Bowley, is 171. It is 171. Similarly, to find Fishers, it is square root of Lapris into Paches. Here we will not multiply 100 in square root, so just substitute. It is 170.4 into 171.6. So Q01 of Fishers is 170.99. Next problem. If Q01 of Paches is 320.4, Q01 of Derbyshire-Bowley is 342.2, find Q01 of LA or Lapris. As we know the formula of Derbyshire-Bowley, Derbyshire-Bowley is half of LA, that is Lapris and Paches. But in this problem, they have given Paches and Derbyshire-Bowley. We have to find Lapris. First, we will alternate this formula to find the Lapris. That is, you take the cross multiplication of 2 here. So it is 2 times Derbyshire-Bowley is equal to LA plus Q01 of PA. Again, I will rearrange this equation so that we should find the value of LA. So Q01 of LA is equal to I will shift this to right hand side. So 2 times Q01 of dB minus Q01 of Paschis. This is 2 into 342.2 minus 320.4. So Q01 of La Laprise is 324. Next one. Next problem. If Q01 of L, that is Laprise, is 236 and Fisher's is 238, find Paschis. We know the formula of Fisher's, that is 1 of Fisher's is square root of Q01 of La into Q01 of Pa. First I should remove the square root, then I can simplify. So do squaring on both the side. Squaring on both the side. If we square on both the side, it is Q01 of Fisher's whole square is equal to square root of Q01 of La into Q01 of Pa, the whole square. Here square and root will get cancelled. So Q01 of Fisher's whole square is equal to Q01 of La into Q01 of Pa. But in this formula, in this problem, we have to find the Paschis. So I will take Laprise. So Q01 of Paschis is equal to Q01 of Fisher's whole square divided by Q01 of Laprise. Now you substitute the values. Fisher's is Q01 of Pa is equal to, for Fisher's it is 238 whole square divided by 236, and Q01 of Pa is equal to, first you have to square 238, then you divide so that you will get the value like this. It is 240.02. 240.02. And the next problem. If Q01 of Laprise is 146.2, Q01 of Paschis is 48.4, find Q01 of dB is how much and Q01 of Fisher's is equal to how much. This we have to find. As we know the formula, that is Derbyshire is half of Laprise plus Paschis. So Q01 of dB is equal to 1 by 2 into 146.2 plus 148.4. So Q01 of dB is equal to 147.3. Similarly for Fisher's, Q01 of Fisher's is equal to square root of Q01 of La into Q01 of Pa. This is again take this, substitute the values into 148.4. First multiply, then you take the square root so that you will get the Fisher's value as 147.2, 147.29. Next one. Next one. Q01 of L, Laplace is 434.6. Q01 of Derbish-Bowley is 434.5. Find Q01 of P. So they have given Derbish-Bowley and the Laplace. We have to find Paches. So first write down the formula of Derbish-Bowley. Derbish-Bowley is half of Laplace plus Paches. So that again you take the cross multiplication, 2 times dB Derbish-Bowley is equal to Q01 of Laplace plus Q01 of Paches. Here we want to find Paches, so I'll rearrange this. Q01 of Paches is equal to 2 times Q01 of dB plus quantity of Laplace. So Q01 of P, that is Paches, is 2 times 434.5 plus 434.6. So Q01 of Paches is equal to 434.4. And the next one, if Paches is 92, Fisher's quantity index is 94, find Laplace. As we know the formula for Fisher's, it is square root of Q01 of LA into Q01 of PA, again squaring on both the side. So Q01 of Fisher's whole square is equal to Q01 of LA into Q01 of PA. Here we want to find Laplace. So Q01 of Laplace is Fisher's whole square divided by quantity of Paches. Now you substitute the value. So Q01 of Laplace is equal to Fisher's is 94 whole square divided by 92. So Laplace is, first you have to square the 94, then you have to divide. The value is 96.04. And in exam you may get these type of problems for 2 marks, and this will be always compulsory problem. And the next problem is about value index number. Next problem is on value index number. Compute value index number for the following data. See, this is the problem they have given. In this problem, they have given about the data or price and quantity of 2008 price and quantity of 2010. So we will consider 2008 as base year and 2010 as current year. Under 2008, the price is base year price, that is P0, and quantity is Q0. Under 2010, it is a current year, so this is P1 and it is Q1. To find value index number, that is, to find a value index number, it is value index number is summation of V1 by summation of V0. Here value of V1 and value of V0. V1, value of V1 is current year value, value of V0 means base year value. So according to this data, here this summation of V1 or current year, we can write it as Q1, P1 Q1, and for V0 it is P0 and Q0. So that value index number can be defined as summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q0. Now the task is to find the values, the product of P1 Q1 and P0 Q0 and their summations. So P1 Q1 one column, P0 Q0 another column. So values are like this: 110, 110, 64 and 120, and this total will be 3404. Similarly for P0 Q0, it is 90, 90, 56, 120, 356. Now you substitute these two values. It is 404. Sorry, here we have to multiply by 100 divided by 356 into 100, so that value index number is 113.48. In examination, they will not ask about this value index number, but for our further test, if we go for Fisher's test, there we need value index number, because there we are going to prove P1 V0 value index number is V1 by V0, and that V1 and V0 are P1 Q1 and P0 Q0, that we are going to prove in the Fisher's TRTF40 tests. So that I have solved this problem. Thank you.